Hi everyone, it's me, Umberto Maresca. I'm native from Torre del Greco in province of Naples, Italy, and but at the moment I live in Philippines. I am a former seaman. Um, 10 years ago, I decided to retire to enjoy much more my family. And I worked 3 years in UK as caregiver. So it's totally different environment from a deck navigation officer to a British hospital, and I specialized in housekeeping and later as a caregiver. So it has been an amazing experience, giving me also the chance to improve my English. And after 3 years in UK, I was back in Italy in Torre del Greco. Um, and last for the last 2 years, I worked in France, in the France Alps, for in some hotel, and as a housekeeper and also room housekeeper. I'm back now in the Philippines, in my home, because my family is in Philippines, and I'm so happy, actually. I've worked 3 years with Italki, but unfortunately now the Italian language is closed, so I don't have the chance. Unfortunately, I got my account closed because for so many reasons, internet and health problems. Also, I have been away from the webcam from italki, and so I got my account closed. So I'm reapplying again as for Neapolitan, because I'm from Torre del Greco, Naples, and very happy and very proud to be Neapolitan. So spero che di trovare persone veramente interessate alla lingua, alla musica, al teatro napoletano, e sarà un immenso piacere dedicarvi tempo per tradurre, per aiutarvi a capire anche, sai, queste serie Netflix di cui non avevo neanche idea, però ho scoperto essere molto. Quindi grazie per l'attenzione e spero di vedervi presto su iTalki. Bye, ciao!